how to unhide chats in Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll show you how you can unhide a chat on Viber after you have hid them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now on Viber, how it works is that if you have a chat and if you want to hide it, it will ask you to set a pin, right? So when you set a pin, you must remember that pin first of all, because without that pin you will not be able to unhide the chats. So you can see I've actually hidden some of the chats from my main feed, and if I want to unhide it, what I have to do is just tap on the search button. I have to search for the profile that I hid. So this was the profile that I actually hid before, and if I want to unhide it, then what I have to do is I just need to tap on it, and here it will ask me to enter the 4-digit pin. So just go ahead and then enter the 4-digit pin right over here. Once you enter the 4-digit pin, you'll be able to see this type of option. Now let's say that in another scenario you do not actually remember the code. So if it asks you and you forgot the pin, well, in that case also you can just choose the option called reset pin. Once you choose the option called reset pin, you can change the hidden chats pin, or you can reset your pin, and all existing hidden chats is going to be deleted. So just tap on the yes option. Once you tap on the reset pin button, all of the existing hidden chats will be deleted, and it may ask you to verify in order to go ahead and then reset your pin if you'd like. And that's all it takes to unhide hidden chats in Viber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.